Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are doing a road trip from here in Netherlands going to Belgium. So I'll show you the road, the difference between Netherlands and Belgium. So first we pass by in the tunnel. Here in Netherlands, we have a lot of tunnel because there's a lot of water here. At the top, it is water. So keep watching until we reach in the border of Belgium. It's not so far away. Maybe it's more than an hour. So this is still in Netherlands. As you can see, there is a fence in the other side, in the left side, because there is a houses. If the houses is very far, you don't put fence. That is for protection. And this is also the river connecting to the sea.
Yeah, the cargo train.
So it is very wide.
Go there, down, up.
The purpose of pins, as you can see in the right side, is to prevent noisy, because it's noisy in the highway. Because at the back there is houses, so that's why you can see the pins in the right side. But if no pins in the left side, there is no houses, or if there is a houses very far. But if there is both fins like this one, both side, the right and the left, meaning the house is very near, so it's very noisy in the highway. So it is like that here. They put fins. In the Philippines, no, they don't put. So we are near to Belgium. This is Belgium. We are entering in Belgium. As you can see, the road, the place is that.
This is Plunderen.
Yeah.
This is one.
Province Antwerp.
As we continue another trip, you can see the place.
Belgium na di ay.
Belgium looks like, because we pass by Antwerp. Antwerp is a city. So before we can reach there, pass by the countryside. So this is Belgium. So if you are not yet come in Belgium, so this is the road trip from Netherlands going to Belgium. I only got from the Netherlands, but I want to show more on Belgium part. Especially we are going to Antwerp. As you can see this video, you can compare the Netherlands and the Belgium by Rakchong, the place. So keep watching because we just passed by in the countryside.
If you travel from country to country, they always mention time, distance, border. And in the city, if you travel from city to city, then you mention in time and distance the center.
This is the countryside of Belgium as we pass by, and you can also see the other side, in the right side, the train, the fast train.
Alam mo na nga train, my love. The
You
train.
can ride a train or you can also do by car if you want to come and visit Belgium, especially in the Antwerp, in the center. are near in the center. As you can see, buildings. And farther, you can see a lot of houses here in this place. But only we are in the highway. We are not entering in the city, Antwerp. But I will try to show the place in the other side. I hope it's clear. As you can see, buildings, houses. So this is Belgium.
passing by in the Brazil, my love. This is on the way to Brazil, no?